Pisces, I'm glad to see this, okay? Because y'all know, the last couple months, it's been real rough with y'all, okay? So I'm glad to see this. Now, this could be telling me that some of you guys, like I just said, the last couple of months, it's just been really, really rough with you. So this could just be you guys have just been putting the work back into yourself. You've been moving on. And I feel like this could be someone new coming into your life, and that's why Spirit could be saying stop trying to control how things play out, and they just want you to go with the flow, because there could be someone new that's either in your life, coming into your life, that this could really take off. There could be a commitment that's established here. The fact that engagement came out, this could be, someone that, you can see yourself, marrying in the future, because I'm seeing romantic feelings here. So if that is for you, go with the flow. No expectations, just have fun. Now, for others of you, this could be somebody that you're meant to be with. They're coming back if they're not back already. And this person definitely has romantic feelings for you. I feel like they're playing with the idea of proposing to you. Like, yes, they want a commitment, but if this is someone that you've been dealing with for quite some time, I feel like they want to take it to the next level. But this person can be a little stubborn here. I'm picking up let go of control issues for both of you, because I feel like if this is someone from your past, your guard is up with them. And that's why you're like, I don't really know if I want to give you a chance. But for some of you guys, I feel like if you do give this another go and you kind of just go with the flow and allow this person to prove themselves to you, I really feel like it could take off. There's something here for you. So let's just see how this plays out. Okay, Spirit. General reading, please, for Pisces. All right, guys, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the King of Swords reversed. So some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I'm feeling like there's someone here that doesn't want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with the Scorpio. Maybe this person is afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. But I'm seeing that somebody could have been going through a transformation. Yep. They were going through a transformation in order to balance things out. They're coming back. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, because I'm seeing that somebody's coming back to speak their truth to you. Look at this. Could be an Aries. The way the Emperor just came out, I feel like this person had to go through something. You had to let this person go, because they were full of BS, okay, in the past. And you put your foot down. You said, no more, I'm not doing it. You walked away, right? And by you doing that, this person had to take a hard look at themselves. Because, see, now they're wanting to come back to speak their truth, because they want to give you stability. They're coming back like the Emperor. But the thing is, the reason why the Emperor kind of came out the way that it did, I'm picking up that because they didn't bring stability to you in the past, they're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning. Clarify? Yeah, see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, they want a victory with you, Pisces. They do not want you to walk away from them. Look, somebody's coming back, okay? Look at this. This person is coming back to put in the work, okay? They know that they have to put in the work with you, because they have to heal all of the pain, all the suffering, everything that they put you through. They're going to have to heal that, and that's why they know they have to work really, really hard to win you back, win your trust back. But I'm seeing that this person, they're listening to their intuition. They're listening. Because, look, communication. I'm telling you, if you haven't heard from this person, they're getting ready to come back in. So, like, if you haven't heard from them in a while, don't be surprised around Christmas you get a, hey, Merry Christmas, big head. Hey, big head, hey. There's communication coming in, okay? Look, because they don't want to argue with you anymore. This person, they're not battling themselves, because I'm telling you, they've been doing some soul searching. Do you hear me? They have been trying to figure this out. Like, what is it? What have I done wrong? How can I fix this? I almost cursed. I'm trying to do better, y'all. I really messed up. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but I'm telling you, this person, they're coming back. I feel like they went through their lessons. You could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm telling you, this person loves you. I feel like this is even being guided. Like, your angels, your guides, they're trying to help bring the two of you together. Tell me more. But this person, ooh, it landed on top of engagement. They're feeling stuck, trying to make a decision because they want a commitment with you. They do. They do. Tell me more. See? Could be dealing with a Leo. This person, they're going to have the strength to come back towards you because, see, look at this. They want stability with you. They want to have a happy home with you. Okay? Oh, y'all, this is your person. Whoever this is resonating for so far, this is your person. You see 11, 11, 11, 11. See what I'm saying? 11 down here. This is your person. Whoever this is resonating for, this is definitely soulmate, twin flame energy here. This person is afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them. They took too long. You know, they put you through a lot. Remember I told you this person has to come back and put in the work to heal everything that they put you through. They kept repeatedly stabbing you in the back. This is why right now it's like they're not content. They're not happy with how they treated you. You know, some of them could be worrying about their finances because, yeah, this person definitely left you out in the cold, you know, for a third party situation. And that could be why they're worrying about their money too, because they could have had something tied in together with this other individual. But on your end, I'm seeing that they're wanting to heal things because they did leave you out in the cold, moving towards someone else, whether it's friends, family, love interest, whoever it was. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but they know that you do want to hear from them. They know that you do want the truth, but you're not playing around with this person anymore, you know? Pisces, don't be trying to cuss people out, okay? This person's coming back, and I know they did a lot, okay? Believe me, I know it. But they're feeling it. I'm not taking up for them, but right now they're scared. They don't know what you what you're gonna say to them. Some of y'all pop off quick, okay? Tell me more. See, I'm telling y'all, this person is manifesting you. They want you back in their life. They're trying to stay positive because, see, they owe you an apology. And they're coming back to give it to you. They're just not confident if you're willing to hear them out. So what they're doing right now, they are keeping an eye on you. They're watching you guys. And they're worried. They can't sleep. I'm telling you, this person, you're on their mind, Pisces. Or cross-watcher, if you're dealing with a Pisces, you know, take it however it fits. Y'all know, go vice versa. But see, they do want to balance things out with you. But they're afraid that they may not be able to have wish fulfillment with you. Some of them could have been in some type of family situation where they're coming to you, but they were given to someone else. And now they're having to leave or end some type of family situation, some type of family obligation to come towards you. Tell me more. Yeah, because see, this person in the past, they were being very sneaky. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I feel like this person is confident now. They're coming towards you because they do want things to improve with you. And they know that they had you waiting around because it was something pertaining to money. I'm picking this up a lot. See what I'm saying? They were giving. They know if they come to you, they're going to have to give to this person, whoever this third-party individual is. And so they're wanting to make sure financially things are okay on their end. See, even the King of Pentacles try to come out. I'm telling you, there's a big focus on money when it comes to your person. And see, this is why they were moving slow. This is why. Tell me more. But they don't want to move slow with you. They do want to rush in. Look at that. To move things forward. I'm telling you, they choose you. They want to be with you. And they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation, but right now they're trying to weigh up their options. They're trying to figure out how exactly to go about doing this. Because I am seeing that they do want things to improve with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but some of them are losing hope. Because, they did. They took too long coming back, trying to make a decision. But I'm seeing here, Pisces, you are going to get an offer. And see, here you are. You're going to get an offer from this person. You could be dealing with another Pisces. I'm seeing, the way the moon came out, it's like they're using their intuition. Because I'm seeing that they will be speaking their truth to you. Tell me more. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify the Queen of Wands reverse. But they're unsure if you're going to take them back. They're feeling like they may not have a new opportunity with you. Clarify the Three of Cups, please. Yeah, I'm telling you, they got to speak their truth about some type of third-party situation. And they want to tell you that they want to move things forward with you. They're done with this other individual. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, they're back and forth with the Empress. They don't know if you want to have a new beginning with them or not. They did too much. It was a lot. See? They want to give you this secure offer, but they're afraid you're not going to take it. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Yeah, they're frustrated right now because they don't know what to do. So they're getting advice from someone. They're talking to someone because they will be taking a leap to come towards you, Pisces. Yeah, they don't want you to cut them off, but they know that they hurt you. They hurt you to your core. That's how they're thinking. Again, somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and I am seeing an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, they had other options in the past, and right now they're just trying to decide which is the best way to go to fix the situation. Because if they don't do it right, they know it's like it's a wrap. I'm telling you, some of them, they're worried about money. They are. At one point, some of them couldn't even give to you because they were giving to someone else, you know, and now they're unsure about their financial status because, yeah, they're going to be taking some type of financial hit. And this is why right now there could be a focus on money for them, like they're throwing themselves back into their career. They're just trying to get out of something. Tell me more. Because at one point they were confused. They didn't know what to do. They were still, you know, being stuck in a situation due to the fear of leaving someone else in the cold, or they were worrying about their money, but they're not confused anymore. They're just taking their time trying to come towards you. See, they're coming out of being frustrated here, but they're still worried about something. Tell me more. A commitment. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Clarify the Hierophant, please. Yeah, look, they want to commit to you. Remember I told you the engagement card? I'm telling you, this person wants to commit to you. They want to marry you. They do want to balance things out. They do choose you, Pisces. But see, they have to free themselves from a situation first. Some of them could have been in a relationship. They could have been married. And that could be the holdup. They're trying to get out of something here. Tell me more. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Back and forth with justice. Some of them, it could have been a commitment, a relationship that they were in, or a marriage. They're trying to get out of it. That could be why I'm seeing money for your person, some type of legal obligation. If it's not money, it's just some type of contract, or they were just with this person for a long time, you know, and they're trying to get out of it. But they do want to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I am seeing an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles reverse, please. Clarify the Queen. Hold on. I'm trying to make sure, see if this is you or this other person. It's you. They feel like you don't want to put any more energy into them. But they want happiness with you, and that's a decision that they did make. But they're sad because they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, they're feeling like things aren't going to improve with you. But I'm telling you, they're going to come and give you an offer, but they know they have to start things over with you because they're regretting everything that they put you through. And now they're sad because they feel like they're not going to have that new start. There's something that they want to say to you, but they're just holding back. Judgment. Who did I just... What's it? I only did, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus. These two cards came out together. And I feel like in this exact same order. I just don't remember which sign. Some of y'all are either dealing with a Sagittarius, Capricorn, or a Taurus, okay? I feel like what's going on, there could be some type of legal situation going on or some type of contract that your person's trying to get out of. And that could be why they can't move things forward with you just yet because they're trying to wait on a decision. You know, some type of court decision. See? Oh, this just jumped out. Okay. The seeds that they planted with you, they do want them to grow. You are going to get an offer because they do want to start over and build something with you. But they keep thinking about something or someone from the past. Yeah, see? They're trying to get out of a toxic situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. So I wonder if it was Capricorn that this came out with. But somebody's trying to get out of something toxic. That's the thing. So Pisces, they're coming towards you. But... They're waiting on some type of decision, or if it's not anything dealing with like court or something legal, they're just trying to make a decision as to how exactly to get out of this situation first before they come towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. Because I'm telling you, this person definitely wants to move things forward with you. Alright, Pisces, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.